Chisholm with Results Realty. I'm here at 109 Mount Batton Drive. This house is the perfect family house. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2nd floor laundry, beautiful kitchen, massive kitchen actually, dining room, living room, full basement as well too. So there's lots of room for the kids. Pool out back for our hot summers that we're now finally getting to Nova Scotia. Come on in, let's take a peek. You don't want to hear me talk all the time. Okay, so what'd you think? It's pretty cute, right? It's got everything you need and more. So book your appointment. It's not gonna last long. As you know, everything's flying. It's that time of year, springtime. So book your appointment. We'll see you soon. Thanks.